Hello, my name is Arif Irfanullah. I am a charter holder and have been preparing candidates for the CFA exams for over 10 years. In this brief clip, I'll give you a general overview of the Level 2 exam. As with Level 1, we will have 2 3-hour sessions. Each session has 10 case studies and each case study has 6 multiple choice questions. You have 18 minutes per case study. So the 2 3-hour sessions each have a total of 60 questions. Notice that with 6 questions per case study and 18 minutes, you have 3 minutes per question. This is twice what you had for Level 1, and the reason you have more time is that you need to read and understand the case study before you can answer the questions. And reading the case study often takes a fair amount of time. The Level 2 content builds on Level 1, and the one high-level remark I can make here is that Level 2 is much more quantitative relative to Level 1. It is possible for a particular case study to have questions from multiple readings. Here are the Level 2 topics and weights. Level 2 has a total of 120 questions, 60 in the morning, 60 in the afternoon. So a 5% weight means 6 questions, and 6 questions is one case study. Ethics has a weight of 10% to 15%. This means that you will see either 2 or 3 ethics case studies. With quantitative methods, you will see either 1 or 2 case studies. I'd say that the 2 most important topics at Level 2 are financial reporting and analysis and equity. So between these 2 topics, we cover between 30 and 45% of the exam. Obviously, you need to do well on all other topics, but these 2 are key. Now some advice on how to prepare for the exam. The first thing you should do is create a schedule. The high-level principle with the schedule is that you need to consider your own circumstances and define a schedule that is realistic and reasonable. Also create a schedule that gives you about 5 weeks at the end for revision and practice. That is going to be extremely important. There is a lot of material at Level 2 and you will forget material that you studied before. So try to keep revising, but also make sure that you get done with your course at least 5 weeks before the exam, so you can review, revise, and do lots of practice during these final few weeks. The other important point is the role of the curriculum, and I'm referring here to the CFA program curriculum. Many candidates ask whether they should read the whole curriculum, and the answer really depends. If you are good at reading, you can cover a lot of material fast, then I would encourage you to read the curriculum. However, many people find it difficult to absorb the entire curriculum. The curriculum has so much content that it is sometimes difficult for candidates to recognize what is important and what is not that important. So here is what I suggest. You can complement the curriculum with prep provider material. So those of you who like to listen to lectures, I would suggest that you listen to video lectures. So find the video lectures that suit your style and listen to the lecture either before reading the curriculum or as you read the curriculum. What a good lecture will do is emphasize the key points in the curriculum. Other people like to read notes. So identify notes that you like. Ideally, the notes should identify and help you go through the important points. Even if you are using prep provider notes as your reading material, I would still insist that you work through the examples in the curriculum. So in almost all curriculum readings, there are these boxed examples which generally contain very testable concepts. So you should do these from the curriculum. You must do all the practice problems at the end of the curriculum readings. After you have completed a given topic, you should do the CFA Institute assessment, which is available on their website. And in the final few weeks, you should work through CFA Institute mock exams. You can also get practice material from prep providers, and it is okay to use that, but I would say that this is most important. Make sure you do all the practice provided by CFA Institute before spending too much time with other prep provider material.